Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you when you click on this button a function will be executed or a method will be executed. Let's see it. First of all, make an activity. Created a new activity. This is the layout of our new activity. Let's make it something. Let's change the text view. Let's increase the size. I think 25 is good. Yes. And also you can change these values from attributes part from here. This is our message activity. Let's join it with this main activity. When someone click on the button, this method execute or bring the message activity. For this reason, we have to specify and click. Let's go to the main activity. And here we have to make a method, because when someone click on that button, this method will be executed. You have to import the class of this, and when you bring the mouse on the view, the class will come. Import class, yes. Let's see it. You have to wait until it becomes ready. Now we can launch our program. Let's click the button. Yes, it works. Let's try again. Let's click the button. Go to the other page. This was our simple user interface project. Thanks for your attention, guys. We will see each other at the next video. Thank you for your attention.